Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another grocery haul. We're out here in these streets, y'all. And can I just say, it is getting more and more expensive, especially when you're trying to do a low spend or, stay within a certain budget. We did not stay within our budget this week. We did not. So my budget was $50. I spent $64. Just things are expensive. And I didn't even really get much in the way of groceries. I got some snacks for Jackson. I got a few things, but he has driver's ed this week, and so he needed some stuff. I picked it up, just randomized things. I picked up 2 things of milk. We shop Food Line. There were not a lot of sales happening at any store this week. So Food Line, I picked up 2 milks. We picked up some bananas, because that can be a snack for me. I do have a sweet tooth, but sometimes if I just have a piece of fruit or something, it'll be good. So bananas, Jackson asked for waffle mix, so I picked this one up. He asked for carrots. We needed hand soap for our bathrooms. We are out of cheese, so I got some shredded sharp cheese. He asked for cheese sticks, but they were more expensive than the cheese cubes, so I picked those up for him. And then we got 2 things of sliced cheese for sandwiches. Picked up some butter because we always run out of that. Jackson is always doing some type of a project. Lettuce for sandwich wraps instead of bread. 2 things of the Oikos 000. I like this lemon a lot. I usually eat 1/4 to 1/2 of this at a sitting, and it just helps me out. It has a little bit more protein, so I try to have that. I don't eat the whole thing at one time. I can't eat the whole thing. Some queso blanco cheese for a few recipes or some eggs. Jackson asked for apples, so I picked up those. Russet potatoes. These are really big potatoes, but this is 8 pounds. I think it's $5.99. I like applesauce. It just helps me in a pinch, so I picked that up. And then this Cheez-Its was buy one, get one free. So again, I got that for Jackson for his snacks. He has 3 days of driver's ed, and some of those days are extremely long. And then I got him these caramel rice cakes because, again, for driver's ed. So that's what I picked up for $64.51. We will chat some meals in a minute. Jackson is working on cooking some lamb chops. I picked up 2 lamb chops. A couple weeks ago, they were on a sale, on markdown, I believe. And so I think there's only 2 of them in the package, but he is going to make those lamb chops and some green beans. And make sure I don't fall off this doggone whatchamacallit.
Yeah. Oh, ooh.
Yeah.
Look, it's a helicopter.
Helicopter.
Maybe. I'm gonna stay over here though, because the debris is ridiculous.
Right.
If you get up on that side, there's some here.
Ladders aren't my favorite thing. Not that I'm scared of heights. I'm just afraid like it's not gonna hold me. Careful. It must be full up there. So what happens with the gutter?
The rain comes
And washed it all away?
and it keeps it from settling into the... Probably about there is good. Well, maybe a little more. Okay, probably.
I said Gwen was on a new digging spree.
I'm gonna beat her entire tail. Well, we're gonna have to thank her.
Hi guys. How's it going?
Okay, hang on, Jack. I'm gonna move it back on.
You were saying if we didn't have pine trees, we wouldn't have pine straw in our gutter.
Stuck with the straw.
Queen, were you digging a new hole? What were you doing?
Dig a new hole.
Queen, hey.
This is why it's always the counter.
Why you swipe the camera?
You can no, but we own plates.
There's more dishes.
We own napkins.
That's more water. Good luck with.
But in the Lord, sir. I'm gonna have that. I can have a piece. You taking it to school? Jesus. Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm gonna add in this grocery haul to last week's grocery haul that I never got a chance to post. But here it is. I almost did not have grocery money today, but I actually got paid, and so I had money set aside for preps and decided to just use that for weekly groceries. I had some unexpected travel this week, and I needed to put extra gas in the car, so that took my last little bit of grocery money. And then I had gas money for next month, and I'm on spring break for a week, so I don't have to drive a week. And then because we drive sister's car half time and my car half time, I can get by on a little bit less gas. So I actually managed to save out $90 today, $50 from preps and $40 from gas, and managed to go to the grocery store. What you're looking at here cost me $70.32. So I'll share with you what I picked up. We just did a little bit of fill-ins. I didn't get preps. I wish I had, but such is the way it is. I got 2 things of strawberries. They were 2 for $4. Bananas were 45 cents a pound. The 000 Oikos yogurt was 5 for $5. I picked up 5 of those. We got some cheese. They were 2 for $5. Shredded cheese was $2.19. I picked up 2 of those just to have in the freezer. I picked up some mandarins and some tangelos. Onions, but sister said we already had onions. I thought we didn't have any. Butter we need because Jackson loves to bake. Picked up some duck sauce. We're going to make some egg rolls, chicken egg rolls. And then we got some sparkling water. I don't drink soda, or try not to drink diet soda, so I just picked those up to have a little bit of bubble. Needed some mints for my purse. Jackson asked for a strawberry cake. I think that's what he asked for. I'm hopeful. And then some frosting. We're having chili for dinner, so I picked up some oyster crackers. Sister asked for milk. And then I picked up apples. Jackson loves apples. And then 2 more bags of potatoes because they were only $1.99. So they should last us for a little bit. But I like to have potatoes cooked ahead. Or I like to do baked potato, or just like a potato skillet for breakfast. So that is what we have for the grocery haul. We're going to take you guys outside. Well, no, we'll do a different video. Anywho, there it is. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.